Alright, so just got this package in the mail from China from Diamond Floor Mats. I can't wait to open it up. I was super excited. I left work early just to get here to my house to open this. So let's open it up and see what's in it. So I ordered these just over a month ago, and due to Corona, it's taken a lot longer to get here. So it took over, I think, about 7 weeks just for these to come in the mail. And let me see what they are. Ooh, love at first sight. Diamond stitching, full genuine leather. All right, I'm excited. Can't wait to put them in. Pretty happy. So I got these two. I guess this one. Guessing that is for the back seat. Pretty cool. Smells like fake leather, but that's okay because it looks good. We got 2 different ones for the front seats. That's the driver's side. Looks pretty good. And one more. That's the passenger side. All right, well, let's install these. Just spread them out on the floor to take a good look at them. And I do like the details on them. Just kind of notice that they have the diamond up there. I thought that was pretty snazzy to put on there. But can't wait to get them in the car. And if I die of Corona disease, just put these in the car before you sell it. We're just getting ready to install the mats. I just vacuumed out the whole entire car. And what came in the kit was these Velcro strips. So you'll need some scissors just to be able to cut the size you need. And then they came with a bunch of spare clips and little tiny clips to put the mats in so they don't move around. And for all of you who want to know, if you want to get a 25% discount, you can use this code and I'll post a picture of it. So first, just going to take out the crappy floor mat that the Range Rover came in. If you watch my video on top things I hate about Range Rovers, the floor mats are number 1. Look how small it is. That's not going to save your car at all. Throw that piece of junk away. So now we're going to take our diamond floor mat and just kind of place it in. Pretty self-explanatory how it's going to go. And then we're going to have to start clipping it in. So you'll see the little clips on it. And what we're going to do is just press them into place where they need to be. And of course, if they're not going to work for you, you do have those clips. Just put the front seats up, and of course it rammed up my cart or the floor mat a little bit more, so I'm going to definitely have to put down more of those Velcro strips and get it to hold on that side piece. So now when fitting this, make sure that this part is facing up and you can see the beautiful diamond logo. I think that's kind of cool. And let's see how this is gonna fit in back here. Hopefully it goes easy, but for some reason I think it might not be as easy as it looks, but we will see. Oh yeah, it's gonna fold down there like that. Ooh, look at that. Starting to look good. It wraps around pretty good too. So again, I'm just gonna put the clips right underneath the plastic. Get them in there. So I'd love to hear your comments. Please leave them below on if you have these floor mats and how they hold up in your car after a little bit of time. That's my biggest fear, is that they look like crap in a little while. But well fitted for the car. And they definitely look cool, I must say. Put this on the back. A little bit of a fight on the side, but nothing you can't handle. Probably gonna put one more clip back here on the side piece. And I'll show you on that side what I need. There. So I'm just gonna fit this around. Pull this a little bit tighter. Get seated. Stick these in. There we go. One and two. Whew. Last one. As you can see, it's a little bit tight right here around the seat. Doesn't seem to want to fit in perfectly. So you might have to kind of get it underneath your seat and then tuck it in. And I'm gonna take one of those clips and clip this here right into it. So let me show you how you do that. Got a clip nice and handy here. Simply grab it and then push it in. And I might even do another one. We'll see how that lasts for a little bit. But voila! Take a look. Once you put the seats back, I think it will look better, but definitely matches the car. I love it. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side, put the seat all the way back. Gonna take off that old disgusting floor mat that came with the car. Gonna save this one though. And place this one in. My thoughts were, kind of because I'm in Canada and our winters are horrible here, my thought was to have the original floor mats and kind of put them over it for the winter. So just putting it in, making sure it's nice and snug. Just gonna slide those clips underneath, and it's nice and firm. Looks pretty good so far. Now just gotta do the side. So all installed, really happy with them. Beautiful mats all over the car. Even the back seat looks pretty swanky and pretty easy to install. Wasn't too difficult. So it's been about a week since I've been using these mats. Absolutely love them, but I did notice some major flaws. They get dirty very fast, and then you got to take a rag or something and just wash them off. And I have leather wipes too that I use, but to take the whole mat out just to shake it out is really annoying. There's quite a bit on the driver's side one to take out. So what I've been doing, I use the old mat and just kind of throw it in there, and you know, it moves around a little bit, but not very much. And it seems to get rid of a majority of the dirt. And besides that, I do love the mats and I'm very happy with them. So thanks for watching, and make sure you use that coupon code if you want to buy some for your vehicle. It gives you 25% off, and I do recommend going with Diamond. They seem to be a very good company, and at least they're trustworthy. And I get the merchandise right away. It didn't take long to get it in the mail. So hit subscribe, make sure you watch some other videos, and good luck with everything you're doing.